Hello guys, welcome back to The Woody Show. Now, we're on the Nature Channel. We're going to look at the wild animals of Africa. But, you know our bodies, like our hands right here? Yeah, that hand. But this time, there are new ones. There's new animals in town. They're called the wild hands. Let's go look at them. Oh, dang. I saw one over there. That wild hand. Yeah, they keep saying that sound. They can communicate with each other, too. And they're a little bit vicious. When you beat them up, like punch them one time, it will not gonna be pretty. Don't worry. Do not do that, kids. And do not do that, adults, too. When you see killing that hand animal, there's gonna be more of them and they're gonna attack you. Like, they're the size of a little kid. But they're adults, okay? Let's see looking at their home. Let's see their home. Their home is a box, and they like to sleep in there. Sometimes they like to do this. Sometimes there's more. So they can eat food. They can eat bugs. Let's look at it and see. They can eat frogs. And last but not least, they can eat knights from Legend of Zelda. That's all three things they like to eat. And also, when somebody takes, these wild hands can take anything. They can take your 3DS and more food inventory. And even babies. Also, the hand likes this favorite song, Justin Bieber. See, they like Justin Bieber. Oh dang, look at him. He's really dancing out there. My God, look at his moves. Oh, dang it. See? Oh my gosh. That hand is rocking out. Oh dang it. Well, you saw. Oh dang it. He saw me. Oh dang it. Go back to the day. When they get really angry, they go like this. This is not a chasing song. This is Justin Bieber's song. Very hard in here. But I had it in this mystery box. I'm safe. I'm safe from that stupid hands. Oh. Wait a minute. I think that's there. Oh, dang it. Forgot. Dang it, I didn't know it was the hands home. Oh, dang it. I'm lost now. Ow, 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 ow. Stupid hand. Ow, ow, ow. Wild hand. Oh, it's a wild hand. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Well, that's the end of the Nature Channel. Oh, that hand hurt me. That wild hand hurt me. So long, there's a new video coming up. Ow, my head and my other body. Ow.